Hi, my name is Robert. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. Hanging out in ATL. This is the birth home of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. We didn't register a tour, just kind of passing through. Thought we'd stop by, take a look, maybe a few pictures. That is the actual home there. Long time ago, 1929. A block from his residence is area here with a reflecting pool. We will not be satisfied until justice rolls down like water and righteousness like a mighty stream. Here's my cousin Jalen.
Hello.
The memorial gravesite of Dr. King Jr. and his wife. Free at last, thank God Almighty, I'm free at last. And now abide faith, hope, love, these three. But the greatest of these are love. 1 Corinthians 13 and 13. The dream that lives on. The legacy continues. The everlasting flame. Eternal flame. Dr. King's National Historic Site Museum. National Historic Park. Man, they got a lot of real estate down here. Inside the exhibit area, a display of people marching for equal and civil rights. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.